Hello folks, today we're going to be making some chicken feed, mixing our own. There on the left, we've got some soybean meal, that's for the protein. And there is some black sunflower seed, that there also has good protein and good oil and everything for their feathers and just overall health. And there's some DE, we'll be mixing some of that in, that helps keep the parasites and everything down. And some whole corn and some cleaned oats. And we're also going to be starting off in the bottom. We had some scratch feed. We'll be starting that off in the barrel, and then we'll be mixing it up. Alrighty, we're pouring in some scratch feed here. It's 5-way. It's got a bunch of different grains in it. And we're just trying to get a little bit more protein in our feed and everything. Layer pellets, the prices just keep going up. Well, all the feed right now just keeps going up. We're just trying to help it out a little bit. But now, I was told about this other feed company. We will be giving them a try. And if the prices are like they say, I'll be passing that on, showing y'all. Alrighty, now we're just going to pour in just a little bit of DE. A little bit will go a long way. Try not to breathe the dust. It is real good about parasites in all your animals. We try to mix it in with our goat feed too. They're pouring in some oats. Going to pour in a little bit of whole corn. Alrighty, getting some of them black sunflower seeds. They love them things, folks. They're good for them too. Alrighty. And then we're just going to, after we get everything poured in here, we're going to mix it all up. Alrighty, there's the soybean meal. That is a good source of protein. Now, we'll probably use about 1/3 of that bag to all of those other bags that we've got. The protein on that there, you're looking at 47% is what it said on the tag. And that there will just give them a little protein boost and everything to help about their egg laying. We had filmed this the other day, but Fluty Lick Homestead, great channel, folks. If you get a chance, check them out. Fluty Lick Homestead. He got his chicken feed mix out before we did, and I told him, I said, great minds are thinking alike. And he said he'd watch us and see. But no, if you get a chance, check out Fluty Lick Homestead. Now we're just mixing it up here. We had made this video before we got this old crud the other day. Actually, it was the Sunday before we got this crud. And I just this week ain't had a chance to get it edited. It does seem like the computer and everything's doing a little bit better today. Hopefully, Lord willing, it is fixed, whatever it was. Alrighty, we'll take his lid off. Take the lid off, Doug. Alright. There, it's all mixed up. You can see the DE's all mixed throughout it there. Now, we're just going to pour the stuff in. And like I said, folks, try not to breathe out there. It don't take much of that DE. You know, that ain't a whole lot there for all the pounds of feed we're going to have inside of this drum. But it will get all mixed together. And then also here, well, we'll show you here in just a minute. Now, if you have enough drums, you could just leave these, or a place, you could just leave the bags there without even having to fool with mixing them. And just every morning when you get ready to feed them, or evening there, just mix your stuff up. There you can see the soybean mix. Like I said, that one bag, we probably only used a third to all these other bags of feed. And I bought these drums out here at the local hardware store. There was some kind of food stuff. It was almost like a syrup had been in it. We washed them out. Alrighty. Just roll it over a little bit there. And with all of it poured in, it didn't all get mixed up real good. But we've got that little auger for our drill. It just mixed everything right up then. Give her a push, Dan. Maybe it won't roll me over. Alrighty. Help, Dan, help. Alright. Alrighty, there you can see. Like I said, try not to breathe that DE in. That's good stuff. You can also use that in your garden and everything too. Dust your beans and stuff with it. And let me tell you something, folks. The chickens love this stuff. They go crazy. They hear you in that there and they're coming. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And you all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again.